Every night at 2:17 a.m., a payphone rang on an abandoned stretch of Route 66 in Arizona. No one knew who installed it. There were no wires, no signal towers nearby. Truck drivers avoided that road after midnight, except Mark Sullivan. Mark was a long-haul driver from Texas. One night, exhausted and desperate for coffee, he ignored the warnings and drove through the desert. At 2:16 a.m., his radio went silent. Then the phone rang. Ring! Against his better judgment, Mark stopped. The desert was unnaturally quiet. He lifted the receiver. A woman whispered, "Please, don't stop the truck." Mark laughed nervously. "Wrong number." The line crackled. "You stopped last time, too." Cold sweat ran down his back. "I've never been here before," Mark said. The woman began to cry. "You said that in 1998, and in 2006, and tonight again." Behind him, his truck engine shut off. Mark turned slowly and saw his own truck, rusted, burned, and wrapped around a cactus. A police report lay on the ground beside it. Date of death, 1998. Victim, Mark Sullivan. The phone rang again. The next morning, another trucker passed the payphone. It rang at 2:17 a.m.